This drink is called a Dr. Pepper. Now, there isn't actually any Dr. Pepper in it, but it does taste a lot like the beverage that you've heard of. So let's get started. We're going to use a highball glass. We're going to add some ice, and we're going to build this straight into the glass. Now, the two main ingredients are Captain Morgan spiced rum, or any spiced rum you can get your hands on, and some amaretto. We'll do about an ounce of each. Take our Captain Morgan. Now, if you're wondering what kind of spiced rum is made of, a lot of the popular ingredients in spiced rum is cinnamon, some allspice, some vanilla. I believe those are all three are actually found in Captain Morgan. And then we've got some amaretto, which is an Italian liqueur. It tastes kind of like almonds. It's made from actually crushed apricot pits, if I'm not mistaken, but it has an almond flavor to it, and we'll do an ounce of that. And then we're going to finish it off with some Coke, cola. Good choice. And with any carbonated drink, when you add it, just let the carbonation do the mixing for you. You don't need to shake it. In fact, you definitely do not want to shake it, because the carbonation will cause it to blow up and fizz all over the place. There you go. Wouldn't you like to be a pepper too?